Hi, guys. I hope you had a great spring break. I hope you're all well and having a good time. The weather has been great, and I've really enjoyed going for my walks lately. Still no school. It's kind of boring. I haven't been interrupted in weeks. But yeah, I just wanted to say hi, and it's Monday, so it's Alex Day. Uh, there's a vocabulary assignment on Edulastic too if you're in course 3. Algebra Kids, just Alex Day today. I have a morning board for you. Let me pull that up. Okay, first of all, if you hear anything weird, my cat's playing with the cords on the mini blinds, and she very likely will come over here and say hi to me. So just a heads up. It's Monday, April 6th. Like I said before, course 3 kids, you're going to be working on the vocabulary assignment on Edulastic and also the Get Your Alex Minutes. Miss Dahlin and I have talked about changing Alex to just 3 lessons instead of doing the minutes thing. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but because I think that I like you guys being able to get extra credit for the minutes. So maybe what I'll do is you have to get a minimum of 3 lessons, and then if you go over on minutes, I'll still give you the extra credit. I have weather. Let me pull the weather out. The weather for this week, I think spring is totally here. The weather is perfect. It's beautiful. It's warm. It's going to be hard to walk today because everybody's going to be out there with their bikes and their strollers and dog walkers. I do have some memes for you. I tried not to do all coronavirus. It's getting kind of old. I tried to shame him for eating all my shoes. I'm not sure what I expected. And then you'll see the dog is eating the sign. Of course. I almost hope you guys don't get this one. A lot of people have been watching this mini series. I'll tell you who's to blame for COVID-19. Carol Baskin. Yeah, oh, Joe. When you normally spend all your time at home anyway, but now the government says you have to. Well, now I don't want to. And my last Pinterest post for this morning, Alexa, what's the weather supposed to be like tomorrow? Don't worry about it. You ain't going anywhere. So those are my Pinterest posts for today. And like I said, just get your Alex lessons. And of course, 3 kids do your vocabulary. I'm updating grades today, so you might want to check those at the end of the day to make sure you finished all those Edulastic assignments from before spring break. I guess that's it for today. You guys have a good time. Get your work done and then go outside and enjoy this beautiful day. See you tomorrow.